Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 16th June from around the world. Amit Shah's surprise Delhi hospital visit after all party meet on COVID. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi yesterday assured that there will be coronavirus testing for all in Delhi during an all-party meeting to discuss the management of the coronavirus situation in the National Capital Region, which includes Delhi and parts of Uttar Pradesh and parts of Haryana. Mr. Shah said political parties should forget their differences and join hands in the COVID-19 battle of the national capital. Intense lockdown in Chennai, nearby towns from June 19. No Sunday break. Unable to control the spiraling coronavirus figures, the Tamil Nadu government has again declared total lockdown in state capital Chennai and certain areas under it, including areas in Thiruvalur, Kanchipuram and Chengalpattu districts from June 19 to 30. A study that claims that the peak of coronavirus in India has been delayed by the 8-week lockdown and may now arrive around mid-November has been disowned by the Indian Council of Medical Research, which said yesterday that it does not reflect its official position. The news report attributing this study to ICMR are misleading. India evacuates 156 nationals from Sri Lanka. As many as 156 Indian nationals stranded in Sri Lanka were flown back home on Monday under the third phase of Vande Mataram Bharat mission. Over 1,000 Indians have been repatriated from Sri Lanka so far in various flights, and the Indian Navy ships INS Jalashwa since the first phase of the evacuation mission was launched on May 7. India has its first gas exchange. India's first gas exchange, the Indian Gas Exchange, was launched on Monday. The exchange is expected to facilitate transparent price discovery in natural gas and facilitate the growth of the share of the natural gas in India's energy basket. US Supreme Court rules LGBT people protected from job discrimination. The Supreme Court ruled Monday that a landmark civil rights law protects LGBT people from discrimination in employment. A resounding victory for LGBT rights from a conservative court. The court decided by a 6-3 vote that a key provision of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, known as Title VII, that bars job discrimination because of sex, among other reasons, encompasses bias against LGBT workers. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.